There is a belt clip here that I can just fasten it to my belt loop and it will stay there. It does have a hole in case you want to put a lanyard on there as well, but it's very easy to use. Just clip it open like this, and to close it you press this button down and it will snap close as well. It does come with 10 extra blades, which is really nice, and it does have a couple places where you can grip it really well. So I like to grip it like this, and it has a little divot here for your fingers, and I also like to grip it like this if I'm kind of opening a box. There's little raised parts here that you can just easily put your finger there. It'll hold it tight. And I really like the fact that there's this extra part right here where you can strip a wire, because the blade does run all the way through here. You can put your wire here and it'll strip that part as well. So that's a nice little feature there that you might not realize. But it does slide easy on and off the blades. Just press this black button here and you could change it in and out. So it snaps into place.